Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel How to Guide. On today's video, I'm going to show you how to refer Bigo Live to your friends. It's very quick and easy, so let's get started. First, you have to launch the Bigo Live app on your phone. Once you do that, on your screen you can see there's live video, go live chats and me option. Tap on me option, then scroll down and you can see wallet option. Once you tap on wallet option, you can see there's diamonds and beans option. Tap on beans option, then it's gonna take a few seconds and it's gonna show you earn some rupees. You have to select that. Then they're gonna ask you to invite your friends. Tap on invite now and you can share it through WhatsApp, Facebook, Messenger, contacts, Twitter and other social media accounts. And guys, that's it. That's how you refer Bigo Live to your friends using your phone. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, leave a comment, subscribe to our channel and hit that bell icon. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching.